How to add a search bar to your Wix website. We want to focus on the left hand side. Click on the plus icon to add an element. Then right here we want to search. Click on search and search for search bar. So this should pop up and we want to click on site search. It will lead us to the site search menu and anchor. And right here we can select the type of search bar that we want to add. So for example this one, because you can notice it very easily. So you want to drag and drop it. And basically you can customize it right here. You can click on layout, you can design, you can change the design, you can add animation. Or if you click on settings, then we can enable these options. So results suggestions, trending items, and here's where we actually manage the search results themselves. So if we click on manage search results, then it will show us where it actually takes us to a list of all of our products that we have. So hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.